Let's take a step back. In the last 3 episodes, we explored how every product needs direction. And in the Lean-Agile Practitioner Toolkit, that direction comes from 3 critical elements: vision, strategic objectives, and product roadmap. Your product vision is a shared picture of where you are heading. It should inspire, align, and ground your team and stakeholders in something bigger than user stories or deadlines. Think about Spotify's early vision: to unlock the potential of human creativity by giving 1 million creative artists the opportunity to live off their art. It's clear, it is ambitious, and it gives every product decision a purpose. So, once you have the vision, how do we move toward it? That's where strategic objectives come in. They define what we aim to achieve in the next 3 to 12 months, making the vision tangible. Let's imagine we are just starting Spotify and it is Q2 this year. Here are 3 strategic objectives we might set. First one is develop and launch a minimum viable product by Q3 this year. Second one might be secure licensing deals with 3 major record labels by Q4 this year. Or last one might be achieve 5,000 early adapter signups by the end of the year to validate product market fit. These objectives aren't just features or capabilities, they are outcomes, and they guide everything that comes next. Then comes the roadmap, our living high-level plan. It connects strategic objectives to time, showing how capabilities and milestones unfold over the next 3 months to 1 year. Let's say our near-term strategic objectives is to launch an MVP. We add relevant features and capabilities to the roadmap, like build an iOS app shell with sign-up option, add an upload feature for creators with tagging, introduce streaming capability for users to play music they love. Because we want to test an early version of an algorithm to match artists with their audience. These features are designed to test our core product concept, matching creators with the right listeners. Based on what we know now, we might also add post-MVP items such as add playlist capability or introduce paid subscription for higher quality streaming and advanced features. Now, we have mapped out features to support the MVP, estimated delivery time, and anticipated what is likely to come next. But as we learn more during the development and especially after launch of the MVP, things will change. And that's expected. Here is the key point so far. We don't need a perfect vision, strategy, plan, sequence to start building. You just need enough clarity to move forward. Then adapt your vision, strategy, and roadmap as you go. Don't wait until you have all the answers, because you won't. So, what is next? Let's start building. This is where the iterative delivery layer begins, and iterations matter deeply. In Lean-Agile, iterative delivery isn't just a way to break work into sprints. It is our most powerful feedback loop. It is the pause, the breath, the moment where we reflect and adapt. Not just our features, but our direction. Iteration is where strategy meets reality, where user insight challenges our assumptions, where priorities evolve based on flow, feedback, and learning. That's how we avoid build the wrong things. That's why we recommend quarterly iteration cycles in addition to sprint cadence. Even if you don't use Scrum, reviewing and adjusting your delivery objectives and roadmap every 3 months helps keep teams aligned, adaptive, and efficient. We'll explore the quarterly plan event in more detail in the next video. But before we go, there's one more tool I want to introduce: capability cards. Capability cards are lightweight tools that support alignment and effective preparation ahead of quarterly planning. It is literally a one slide that includes what the capability card is, which strategic objective it supports, why it matters from a user and business perspective, what is in and out of scope, dependencies and assumptions, and links to discovery, research, prototypes, or tech spikes. It's not a spec, it's a high-level view and a conversation starter used to align teams and stakeholders before development starts. It provides just enough context for the team to break the capability into smaller deliverables during the quarterly planning session. In the next episode, we'll walk through how to run a quarterly planning session, turn strategy into actionable items within a manageable time frame. Let's start building what matters.